I loved being active. I chose a profession of physical education and health. I loved teaching, I loved coaching. Then in 1974, I fell in gymnastics. I tore the patella tendon. It had to be replanted into my leg, and the pain was tremendous. It never stopped. I limped constantly. I always felt like I wasn't giving enough to my students, and most of all to my children. So I knew it was time to get a solution.
When I first met Martha, the thing I remember most is she was so used to dealing with pain. When we saw Martha's knee, what we saw was severe arthritis. She was bone on bone, and despite her young age, the knee was very bad and destroyed. And we saw that the best option was knee replacement.
I looked at my husband, he smiled at me. We both knew we found who we needed.
The best thing about seeing Martha now and seeing how happy she is and how functional she is, that she can run around with her grandkids again, and she can do yoga and swing a golf club and do gymnastics and everything she hasn't been able to do, and it's really, really gratifying to know that we were able to help her do that.
In 1 year, my life has totally changed. Playing games with my grandsons is the highlight. It's almost like I get to relive life and things I didn't get to do with my own children. There's no ice afterwards, there's no pain afterwards. My two sons are constantly catching themselves saying, "What are you doing? Stop, you can't run." And I look over my shoulder all the time going, "Yes, I can. I can run now." And off we go playing tag. Thanks to Princeton Medical Center, I've reclaimed my life.